Hello friends, today we will learn the question answers of chapter number 6, Florence Nightingale. Question number 1. Who is the narrator of this story and how did he knew Florence Nightingale? Answer. Mr. Andrews, a soldier, is the narrator of the story. He met Florence Nightingale in the hospital at Scutari in Turkey, where she dedicated herself to the selfless service of sick and wounded soldiers. Question number 2. What can the narrator still remember clearly after all those days? Answer. The narrator can still remember the commendable work done by Florence Nightingale during the Crimean War as she fought for the cause of better sanitation in hospital. She worked day and night to improve the condition of hospitals and to give proper care to the wounded soldiers. Question number 3. How did Florence talk to the wounded soldiers? Answer. She talked to the wounded soldiers respectfully. Question number 4. When did Florence know she was needed on the battlefield? Answer. The news of Crimean War and the horrible state of British hospital made her know she was needed on the battlefield. Think and answer. Question number 5. Which image in the comic shows you that Florence was called the Lady with the Lamp? What verse in the story tell you how the narrator feels about Florence? Answer. Florence was called the Lady with the Lamp because while visiting the patients at night in hospital, she used to hold a lamp in her hand. By her dedication to the service of her patients, she brought a new ray of hope to them. Now we will learn the homophones. First, through, side to side. Sentence. Through, sent through the air from hand. Inside. In, inside. In, hotel. Synonyms. Injured, wounded, filthy, unhygienic, wretched, miserable, spotless, pristine. Antonyms. Encourage, discourage, sent, received, gathered, scattered, decrease, increase. Thank you, friends.